Okay, okay.
Tonight I'll be frying chicken tonight. I will be frying chicken.
Yeah.
What you
But
going to
fry
have with
chicken.
it? I don't know.
Go, baby.
I'm a
Fry that
fry some
chicken up, boy.
But right now I'm finna wash the meat.
You don't know what you're gonna have. Come on with it. Come on. What? You is washing the chicken with detergent. Everybody fit to be. Lester, get in there and call it the control waste. What do people call the disease control? Because everybody fit to be sick. They about to gain a sickness. Whoever eat this here chicken. Why is you washing that chicken like shoe
Then I'm gonna get the
string?
seasoning.
Hey, boy, we gonna sit here and look at you. If you eating this chicken, you finna be in somebody's hospital. You finna be in the room of emergency with bunk beds. Somebody gonna need, boy, I'm gonna sit here and look at you. Whoever noticed, man, please say don't eat that chicken. It is contaminated with gain. Boy, take that. What? We gonna sit here, sir, and we gonna look at you.
Anybody want to help? Anybody want to help? Anybody want? Who told you to wash the meat with dish detergent? Somebody said wash the meat. My friend girl Bubba just told me to wash the meat. She said wash the meat. When I don't, not with soap.